In front of me is SONY Xperia X Performance, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So at first, we just open the list of all apps and go to the settings. Click on developer options then, and select demo mode. Click on it, and right in front of you, you've got a demo mode option. You can enable it by tapping on the switcher, and then you can make it visible by tapping on show demo mode. As you can see now, you can see the difference even in status bar. And whenever you would like to turn off this mode, smoothly unmark the switcher, and that's it. Now you're back in the normal mode. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.